Most people think creating a new drive in Windows is risky, but if you do it this way, you won't lose a single file. In this video, I will show you how to safely create a new drive. First, we need to open Disk Management. To do this, press Windows key plus X on your keyboard. A quick access menu will appear. From that menu, click Disk Management. Windows will now load all connected drives and partitions. Next, we are going to shrink a drive to free up space for our new drive. Don't worry, this does not delete your files when done correctly. Right-click on your local disk drive, then select Shrink Volume. Windows will take a moment to analyze how much space can safely be reduced. This is normal, so just wait until the box appears. Once it loads, you will see a field asking how much space to shrink. Enter the size for your new drive in megabytes. Remember, 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte. After entering the amount, click Shrink. When the process finishes, you will see a new section labeled Unallocated Space, shown with a black bar. This is the space we will turn into a brand new drive in the next step. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The new Simple Volume wizard will open. Click Next to continue. When asked for the volume size, leave it as the default value to use all available space, then click Next. Now we need to assign a drive letter. For example, drive D or E, and then click Next. For the file system, select NTFS, which is the recommended option for Windows. Give the drive a name and make sure Quick Format is checked. Then click Next. When done, confirm the preview and click Finish. Windows will now create the drive. Once it's done, open File Explorer, go to this PC, and you will see your brand new drive ready to use.